So I've been using the RC2 daily for the last 3 months with my DJI Flip, and it's become one of those tools I can't imagine not having. It's smooth, fast, and just works. Whether I'm flying over mountain ridge lines, chasing light on the back roads, or grabbing a quick aerial clip for the next project. The built-in screen is a huge win. It's bright enough to see clearly in full sunlight, and not having to mount a phone every time saves so much time. The entire controller is compact, solid, and easy to throw in a camera bag or in the back of the van without worrying about it getting knocked around. One of my favorite things about the controller is the customizable buttons underneath the unit. I've got mine set up for cruise control and quick horizontal and overhead views, and it makes flying so much smoother, especially when you're flying solo or trying to keep focus on the composition. These shortcuts are surprisingly useful and really give you more control in the air. Performance-wise, it's been rock solid. The processor keeps everything snappy, and the video transmission gives a super stable feed even in windy and tricky terrain. I've flown this thing in snow, high altitude, and tight canyons, and it's handled it all without dropping a signal or lagging once. The battery life easily covers a full day of flying, and the overall ergonomics just feel right in your hand. Balanced, natural, and built for people who fly a lot. After months of daily use, I can confidently say that it's one of the best upgrades I've made on my drone. If you're out filming often, especially in variable outdoor conditions, the RC2 just makes everything so much easier. It's reliable, efficient, and built for creators who care about smooth control and clean shots every single time. I'd highly recommend it. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.